In this video, we will learn how to create our very own exception types in Python so that the errors your code raises are clear, specific, and easy to handle. Python gives us general errors like value error, but when you build a library or app, those names tell callers very little. Custom exceptions give each failure a precise, meaningful name. Think of a building alarm. A plain buzzer says something is wrong, but a labeled sprinkler zone says exactly where. Custom exceptions are those labeled zones for your code. To create a custom exception, write a class that inherits from exception. Just one line of code inside the word pass is enough to make it fully usable. Inside a function, use raise, followed by your custom class name and a helpful message. This works exactly the same way as raising a built-in exception. In the except block, name your specific exception class. This lets callers handle insufficient funds error separately from invalid account error without catching unrelated errors by accident. When we call withdraw with 50 and 100, Python raises insufficient funds error. The matching except block catches it and prints our message. The invalid account error block is simply skipped. Raising a plain exception forces callers to catch everything or nothing. A named custom exception lets them be precise, and anyone reading the traceback knows exactly what failed. Custom exceptions are simple to create and make your code far easier to use and debug. Anytime a failure in your code has a distinct cause, give it its own exception class.